Hello, welcome to Southern Cross. In this video, we will go over how to assemble the 46 Hawk as well as the startup procedure. To assemble the 46 Hawk, first unscrew the filter housing. Remove the gasket, spring, and micron filter. The gasket may stay in the top section of the filter housing. Be careful not to lose it. Replace the filter, if dirty, with a clean filter. Install spring with the wide end first into the filter housing. Install the closed end of the filter on top of the spring in the filter housing. Place the gasket at the end of the filter. Assemble both parts of the filter housing. Tighten by hand. It is not necessary to use a wrench. The O-ring on the top section of the filter housing will provide a leak-free seal. Use the provided Allen wrench to remove the primary filter inside the probe cone. Change the dirty filter, and then use the Allen wrench to enclose the filter. Make sure it is flush with the probe cone. Attach to the filter housing. If your cone is worn, please replace to ensure proper detection. To power on, slide the rear panel door to the right, push the power switch to the recharge position, then slide the panel door back in. The LCD will display 46 Hawk plus the current software on the screen. The LCD will then display battery percentage and then several seconds later, warm up. Choose an alarm option by pressing the operation button. You must choose an alarm point. The unit will repeat choices until it is chosen. When you find your desired alarm point, hold the operation button and wait for a beep. If you do not choose to mute the alarm, the unit will bypass this option and continue onward. The LCD will display clearing cell. This will last for approximately 1.5 minutes. After this, the LCD will display 0 ppm. You are now ready to survey.